Hey everyone, and welcome to the Organic Chemverse. In today's video, we are solving an interesting problem. It will also help you to master reaction mechanism and ace your exams. So let's get started. There is a reactant molecule. It is treated with H+, which is a catalyst, and it is forming product. But the product structure is not complete. It is partial structure of the product. You have to choose the right statements from the given options. In order to predict what will be the final product, you should know how to write the reaction mechanism. So what is reaction mechanism? It is a stepwise explanation of the reaction. So let's start the stepwise explanation of the given reaction. First, let's write down the cyclic structure. Right, and it is attached to a group like this, right, and there is one more methyl here. Now there is H+, which is acid and a catalyst for the given reaction. This also acts as an electrophile. Electrophiles are electron deficient species and they attack electron rich centers like double bond. But we have 3 double bonds here. Which one to attack? For that, you will get the answer from the question, that is from the product structure here. Look at this double bond, right? So it is attacking here. How do we know that? Because it's given in the question that there is a bond formation between this and this carbon. So you have to attack here. So because of that, the double bond will move here and this double bond will accept the proton electrophile. Electron rich, electron deficient, right? So based on the arrows you have used, you have to write the product structure. So let's get started here. Now you see there is a ring formation and you have 2 rings here, right? And what is not changed, we'll write that. There is a methyl at the 4th position and then there is a methyl at the 8th position. That is not changed. They are not reactive centers. They are as it is. They won't be missing just like that, isn't it? Now, what about this? It is as it is, right? But look at this carbon. Earlier there was a double bond, it moved here, right? So that means what? This carbon is becoming electron deficient. So because that carbon is electron deficient, let's write a positive charge over here like this. Okay. So now what about the new bond? This is a new bond formed here and the double bond is moved here like this. And this has picked up the H+ ion, right? So far we got the structure. Now how to write the final structure? We need to abstract the proton, that means regeneration of the catalyst. So how do we do that? So remove the hydrogen, it goes as H+. So remove the proton, the bonding electrons will be given to the carbon, right, like as a pi bond. And what about here? There is a double bond and there is a methyl here and methyl here. Let's give the numbering based on the question. That means you start numbering from here so that it will be useful for us to choose the right statements. Okay, statements or statement, we don't know, we need to check that. Okay, like this. Now this is the final product and it is complete product. Okay, this is the answer we got. Now let's see. There is a double bond between C7 and C8 carbon atoms. C7, C8. Is there a double bond? No, this is a wrong statement. There is a double bond between C8 and C9. Yes, that is correct. There are methyl groups on 4th and 9th position. So there is 4th and 8th but not 9th. So this is also wrong. The last statement, it says all are correct. That is also wrong. So the right statement is only B. So there is a double bond and the methyl groups are on 4th and 8th but not 4th and 9th. So this is a wrong statement. So the right option is option B. I hope you have understood this, and if you still don't understand how to write the reaction mechanism or how to predict what will be the product, you can send your questions in the comment section. I'm going to help you with that. Thank you for watching this video.